up everyone, thank you so much for coming back to my channel. If you're joining us for the first time, go ahead and subscribe down below, click that notification bell and select all. Now we're gonna jump right into today's video. As you can see, we're doing a big chop. This is my model and she's had enough. She has really amazing hair from the pictures she showed me in the past, and she wants to get back that healthy hair that she used to have. Her hair has been processed for some time now and she's been mostly braiding it, but it has pulled on her edges a lot and her hairline has been receding from the side, the back and the front. So she just want to start all over. She want to get a big chop and she want to go fresh. So if you want to see this transition, go ahead and stick around. Okay guys, so first of all, this is not a tutorial on how to cut your hair at home. We're just sharing with you her documented process on her big chop. So this is what it looks like after we've removed all the processed ends. She has about an inch or two of growth, of new growth, but she decided that she wants to go lower because she just wants to go fresh. So we did go ahead and go lower with the cut. So she does has problematic scalp, so we're gonna gear most of her treatment towards getting healthy scalp so she can automatically get healthy hair growth. So the first treatment is a pre-treatment and it's a hot oil mix, and this one in particular has grapeseed oil, it has tea tree oil, it has peppermint, it has rosemary, it has castor oil, and all of this helps to stimulate hair growth. It helps to get rid of anything on the scalp that is hindering that process. And as you can see, I'm massaging this into the hair. I'm taking my time and I'm focusing on the areas that she's lost a lot of hair so as to stimulate hair growth in those areas. So the next treatment is a restoring treatment, and I'm using clay mask, specifically bentonine's clay mask. This is going to help with any scalp issues that she's experiencing. It's going to help also to restore the follicles of the hair and gain strength into the hair as she is regrowing it. So if you want to see a detailed video on that, I will leave a link to it for you so you can check it out after this. Next we're going to be cleansing, so we're going in with our shampoo and conditioning routine. This is the hair after we've done that. So our next treatment is moisture and hydration treatment. So we're going to be deep treatment, so that's a deep conditioner treatment. And as you can see, I'm not too focusing on the products that I'm using, but more so the techniques, because there's so much products out there on the market that does these things. So we're just focusing on the techniques and the skill and the things that we need to do to get our hair to maximum health. So we did our final rinse. Now we're going in to help to seal and lock in products into the hair. So we're going in with our foundation products and we're using the lock method so that we can seal and lock in those moisture into the hair. That's going to also contribute to hair growth. If you haven't seen my lock video, I will leave a link to that for you so you can check it out. Next, I'm just going to massage the oil, massage everything into the scalp. Massaging really helps to stimulate circulation, which also helps to promote hair growth. So the next step is to add our top layers, and that's our styling products. Those are the products that are going to help to encourage the curls and also help to clump the curls together and hold them into place. So I'm just rubbing the hair. She has beautiful curl pattern, so I'm just kind of just activating those products into the hairs and massaging that in so that we can bring out the curl pattern out of her hair. So as you can see, the products that we use did leave a white cast on the hair, but that's just because the hair is wet. As the hair dries, it will eventually go away. It will disappear as the hair dries, and it will leave and lock all of that product into place. So I'm going in now with a holding spray. This is just going to keep everything in place as the hair dries, and I did go in with a heat protectant spray because I'm going in now with a blow dryer to help to dry the hair a portion of the way. She has an event that she's running late for, so we just dry the hair about 50 or 60% of the way to get rid of some of the white cast. And this is the final result. This is our big chop. This is our final look. Let us know what you think of this big chop in the comments down below. Let us know if you've done a big chop before, how it turned out. Did it turn out good for you? How has your hair been growing? What are your steps that you use in your big chop, in your teeny weeny afros? What are the styles? What are the treatment? What are the products that you use to maintain those hair? We would love to know in the comment sections down below. And if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe down below, guys. Click the notification bell and select all after you've clicked the bell. And that's it for today. So until next time, I'm your girl Momo. Thanks for watching this video. Take care.